TON 618 is not just a black hole, it is a cosmic colossus, one of the largest objects ever observed by humanity. Your discovery began as a mystery, an extremely bright point in the sky, shining brighter than trillions of stars combined. Today we know that this light comes from the accretion disk around the black hole, where matter spins at speeds close to that of light. 618 is a quasar, an active galactic nucleus powered by a black hole of 66 billion solar masses. To get an idea of this scale, compare it with the Sun. Multiply its mass by 1,000,000, then by another 1,000,000, and then by 66. Still, it's hard for the human mind to grasp this colossus. Our star, the Sun, would be a grain of sand compared to this known and distant giant. The result surpasses any human capacity to imagine. TON 618 doubles the space around it in an extreme way. The light we see from it took more than 10 billion years to reach us. We are observing a still young universe. Black holes grow by devouring matter, gas, dust, stars, and even other black holes. When it falls, this matter heats up and becomes brighter than an entire galaxy. These jets are launched at incredible speeds, influencing regions billions of kilometers away. A theory suggests that TON 618 grew through successive mergers of giant galaxies. Another hypothesis points to primordial seeds, black holes already forming huge right after the Big Bang. Quasars like TON 618 are so luminous that they become beacons of the early universe. When we look at them, we look back in time, to an era when the universe was violent, dense, and energetic. In comparison, the black hole of our galaxy is insignificant, only 4 million solar masses versus 66 billion. Any object that approaches the event horizon is inevitably destroyed by gravitational tidal forces. The time near a supermassive black hole ceases to have meaning as we know it. The energy released in the accretion disk is so intense that it makes TON 618 one of the brightest objects in the universe. This brightness doesn't come from the black hole itself, but from the fury of the matter around it. 618 is so distant that perhaps at this very moment it has already changed completely. What we see today is just its old version, frozen in the distant past. Every photon we receive is a messenger from a time that predates the formation of the Earth itself. Quasars influence the environment around them, shaping entire galaxies. The turbulence around TON 618 is unimaginable. Extreme temperatures, relativistic speeds, and intense magnetic fields. If we place the solar system next to it, it would look like a grain of dust. And yet, this colossal is just one among many supermassive black holes scattered throughout the universe. Giant mergers may have contributed to its rapid growth in the early universe. The event horizon of TON 618 is so large that light would take days to cross it. Even from inconceivable distances, the brightness of this quasar reaches us. TON 618. A living reminder that the universe is ancient, vast, and filled with forces beyond our imagination. Objects like him are natural laboratories of extreme physics. They challenge theories, test limits, and force us to rethink everything we know, but also remind us of our smallness in the face of the cosmic vastness. An object of this size is not just an astronomical curiosity, it is a chapter in the history of the universe. 618 may have shaped its host galaxy, altering star formation for millions of years. Understanding this black hole is understanding part of the cosmic evolution process. But since your current brightness remains a mystery, as we only see your past, maybe today he's bigger, brighter, or completely transformed, we will never see its current form, only echoes of light traveling through time. 618 is a silent witness to eras that predate even the formation of the Milky Way. Your study reveals how the universe grew and structured itself, and shows that even in the first billions of years, gravitational monsters already existed. It was by analyzing its light spectrum that we calculated its distance and its incredible mass. It is fascinating that something so distant can be studied with such precision. Each photon brings precious information about the early universe. Quasar jets are capable of interfering with the fate of entire galaxies. TON 618 may have hindered or accelerated star formation processes. Even among supermassive black holes, TON 618 stands out as a titan, a so powerful object that redefines our understanding of greatness. If you liked this video, give it a like and follow us. Only then can we continue producing content about the cosmos.